Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you do 20 push-ups every day? Today, we're diving into the benefits of daily push-ups and exploring the physical, mental, and emotional changes that can occur when you make this exercise a part of your routine. So, if you're ready to learn about the transformative effects of push-ups, keep watching. Strengthening the chest, shoulders, and triceps is a key benefit of incorporating push-ups into your daily routine. Push-ups are a versatile bodyweight exercise that effectively target these muscle groups, promoting upper body strength and stability. By performing push-ups consistently, you can experience noticeable improvements in the development of your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Additionally, push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them an efficient exercise for building overall upper body strength. Various push-up variations, such as the one-arm triceps push-up and the upper chest push-up, offer targeted benefits for these specific muscle groups, further enhancing their strength and definition. Whether you're looking to build a stronger chest, sculpted shoulders, or defined triceps, integrating push-ups into your daily workout routine can be highly effective. Enhancing cardiovascular fitness and endurance. In addition to strengthening the chest, shoulders, and triceps, doing 20 push-ups every day can also enhance cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Push-ups are a form of aerobic exercise that increases the heart and breathing rates, improving the circulatory and respiratory system's ability to supply energy to the working muscles and support activity. By performing push-ups regularly, you can improve your cardiovascular endurance, making it easier to carry out daily tasks and reducing the risk of diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Cardiovascular endurance is a measure of how well your heart and lungs can supply the oxygen you need while you exercise at medium to high intensity. Improving your cardiovascular endurance through aerobic exercise can make you stronger and fitter, lower your risk of disease, and increase your bone and muscle fitness. Push-ups are an excellent way to improve cardiovascular endurance, as they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, increasing the heart rate and breathing rate. By incorporating push-ups into your daily routine, you can improve your overall fitness and endurance, making it easier to perform daily activities and engage in sports or other physical activities. Increased resilience. Push-ups can help you develop mental toughness and resilience, enabling you to better cope with challenges and adversity. This increased resilience can spill over into other aspects of your life, improving your overall mental health. Enhanced mood. Push-ups can boost blood flow to the brain, promoting the release of feel-good hormones such as endorphins and serotonin. These hormones can improve your mood and overall emotional state, making push-ups an effective way to combat feelings of anxiety or depression. Improved self-esteem. As you become stronger and more capable at performing push-ups, you may experience a boost in self-esteem and confidence. This increased confidence can positively impact your mental health and overall well-being. Increased creativity. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as push-ups, can stimulate creativity and help you think more clearly. This can be particularly beneficial if you're experiencing creative blocks or looking for new ideas. Push-ups not only offer numerous physical benefits, but also have a positive impact on your mental and emotional health. By incorporating push-ups into your daily routine, you can enhance your overall well-being, reduce stress, and improve your mood and resilience. So, if you're looking for a simple way to boost your mental and emotional health, consider adding push-ups to your daily exercise routine. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can not only have physical benefits, but also contribute to improved body image and self-confidence. Here are some ways push-ups can help. Boost self-esteem. As you become stronger and more capable at performing push-ups, you may experience a boost in self-esteem and confidence. This increased confidence can positively impact your overall well-being. Promote self-acceptance. Push-ups can help you appreciate your body for its strengths and capabilities, rather than focusing solely on its weaknesses. This self-acceptance can lead to a more positive body image and a greater sense of self-worth. Reduce body shaming. Engaging in push-ups can help you develop a healthier mindset, where you focus on the positive aspects of your body rather than dwelling on its imperfections. This can lead to a more positive body image and a greater sense of self-confidence. Encourage a growth mindset. Push-ups can help you embrace a growth mindset, where you view challenges as opportunities for growth and improvement. This mindset can contribute to a more positive body image and increased self-confidence as you recognize the progress you're making. Support a healthy lifestyle. Push-ups are often associated with fitness and strength, which can be appealing to individuals seeking a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating push-ups into your routine, you may find it easier to adopt other healthy habits, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise, ultimately contributing to a more positive body image and increased self-confidence. In conclusion, doing 20 push-ups every day can offer a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. By incorporating this simple yet effective exercise into your daily routine, you can experience improvements in upper body strength, cardiovascular fitness, and overall endurance. Additionally, push-ups can help build mental resilience, enhance a self-confidence, and promote a positive body image. With these numerous advantages, there's no better time to start incorporating push-ups into your daily workout routine and reap the rewards. So, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.